Real talk, mommers. There is absolutely nothing more stressful than pumping ounces upon ounces of liquid gold, boarding a 12-hour flight to Paris or Tokyo, and secretly panicking that your entire stash is going to spoil before you even hit cruising altitude. Whether you are flying first class or kicking back in premium economy, you do not have to watch your hard work go down the drain. Keeping that liquid gold safe on a long-haul flight takes more than just a standard cooler bag and good vibes. Today, we are spilling the tea on how to safely store breast milk on long-haul flights without spoiling a single drop, so you can travel like a total VIP. Welcome back to Milky Way Travels, your go-to spot for navigating motherhood without losing your luxury aesthetic. We know that being a breastfeeding mom doesn't mean you stop taking dream vacations or living your absolute best life. But long-haul travel does mean you need a serious temperature control strategy. Grab an iced coffee and let's get into it. Let's start with the absolute baseline rule for long-haul temperature control. If you're flying for 8, 12, or 15 hours, standard ice packs are not going to cut it. Regular ice melts, creates a soggy mess in your designer tote, and will get confiscated by TSA if it turns to slush before you get through security. Instead, you need to go full luxury with vacuum-insulated travel chillers. Investing in high-end gear like the Sears Chill or a double-walled stainless steel flask is a complete game-changer. These sleek chillers look like high-end water bottles, slip right into your mono's carry-on, and keep your milk safely chilled for over 20 hours without needing loose ice. If you are traveling with a massive stash of frozen milk, ditch the flimsy coolers and invest in a heavy-duty, medical-grade soft cooler. Pack it tightly with solid gel packs, filling every empty inch with crumpled paper or diapers to eliminate air pockets. The less airflow inside the cooler, the longer your milk stays frozen solid. Now, let's talk about the ultimate in-flight hack that most mommers completely miss, leveraging the flight attendants and the galley. Once you are in the air, do not be shy about asking the crew for help. If you need to chill fresh milk or keep your gel packs cold, ask the flight attendants for dry ice or regular ice cubes placed in a double-bagged Ziploc. Just a heads up, airlines cannot store your breast milk in the aircraft refrigerators due to health and safety regulations, so you must keep it in your own container. If you are flying a luxury carrier like Emirates or Delta One, the crew is usually incredibly accommodating and will gladly bring you fresh ice refills every few hours. Just make sure to dump the melting water in the lavatory sink and replace the ice before it warms up your stash. Finally, let's address the pumping logistics on a long-haul flight. Trying to plug in a massive, old-school pump in an airplane bathroom is a total nightmare. To keep your stress levels at absolute zero, wearable, cordless pumps like the Elvie or Willow are an absolute must. You can literally sit in your seat, sip a glass of champagne, and pump completely hands-free under a chic cashmere wrap. Once you finish pumping, immediately transfer the milk into your insulated chiller rather than leaving it in plastic storage bags. The stainless steel wall will drop the temperature of the fresh milk instantly, stopping bacteria growth in its tracks and keeping your supply perfectly preserved until you touch down at your resort. Traveling the world as a breastfeeding mama doesn't have to be a stressful nightmare. With the right bougie gear and a solid game plan, you can conquer any long-haul flight and keep that liquid gold perfectly safe. If you loved these luxury travel hacks, hit that subscribe button right now. Give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment below sharing your absolute favorite diaper bag for international travel. Thanks for hanging out with Milky Way Travels, and we will see you in the next one. Safe travels, mommers.